Usually, when we create a pipeline, we want to adjust some of the default settings of the boxes, so that when we execute the pipeline, it will behave as expected. Making these changes in the BBEditor is as easy as making double-click on some of the boxes to adjust their parameters. We'll show this process using the example of the previous video, to adjust how the widgets are presented and how the slider changes affect the image brightness. First, we'll change the orientation of the layout split from horizontal to vertical, and the space taken by each widget in the window. To do this, we make double-click on the layout split box to open the parameters dialog. In this dialog, we can change the name of the box as well as all its parameters. In this case, we'll change the orientation value to V and the proportion value to 10. Now we click OK, and if we execute the pipeline, we'll notice that the disposition of the controls looks better now. Now we're going to set some of the parameters of the slider to specify the minimum and maximum values of the slider. So we make double click on the box and change the max value to 2600 and the min value to 10. We click OK and execute the pipeline. This time, we have taken control of the limits of brightness our slider can control, and our pipeline turns out to be more usable now. If you're wondering how did I get the values of the parameters I just set, I got them by going to the description section of the exploration panel and looking up the parameters I needed to see which values were valid. This is useful when you don't know very well a box.